Welcome to the Daily Dirt. This is the show where we bring you all the latest buzz, updates, and happenings from the world of slick products. So whether it's news, events, or just stuff we think is fun, we're here to bring you the updates and stay connected. If you're new to slick products, we create awesome cleaners and washes to keep your dirt bikes, ATVs, off-road vehicles, cars, trucks, and more looking clean and shiny. We've been in the business for over 15 years. All of our products are blended, bottled, and shipped right here in the USA. You can check out more at slickproductsusa.com. All right, welcome to episode 1 of the Daily Dirt. I'm Brian, one of the founders here at Slick Products. I'm joined with Jake. He's a new team member to Slick. He brings his incredible expertise as a product manager from Nike. So Jake, we're excited to have you. Welcome.
Thanks, Brian. Yeah, and I'm excited to be here. I love working with athletes coming from Nike. I know we do a lot in the industry, sponsor a lot of people on Hook It. I love product development, and we have great products. I can't wait to expand the line, dive even deeper, and continue on with Slick.
All right, so to kick off the show, we're going to be talking about one of our new products. It is a quick rinse air filter cleaner. So growing up, I rode dirt bikes a lot, and so when we cleaned our foam filters, we would use gasoline, which many of you probably do. It's probably not the best thing, but it was really effective to use, right? You'd put it in, the gas would just break everything down. The only problem with using gasoline was you were left with a bunch of gas in your bucket, and what do you do with that? Well, like most of us, we probably found a spot in our yard or in the dirt to pour that into.
I was just buying filters for my son's 50. Gets expensive, it's cleaner, but that's until this came along.
There's a better way to do that, and we found that right here with a quick rinse air filter cleaner. This is for any foam or fabric air filters that you find on your dirt bike or motorcycles. Here's the coolest part. You can actually rinse this out with water. So you can use a sink or a garden hose, rinse it out, and as you're doing it, the product will immediately turn to a soap sudsy solution that just quickly rinses away. Once it does, let the air filter dry and then reinstall it. It's that simple.
The other thing, it goes really far. You could do even more than one filter at a time with this stuff. It's great.
Yeah, that's right. If you had 10 bikes in your garage, you could just take all 10 air filters, throw them in a bucket, pour a little bit of this. It would clean them all really quickly. You rinse them all out and let them dry, and you're good to go. It's a great product. Highly recommend. Go get yourselves a bottle. Check it out on the website at slickproductsusa.com, and it will be available on Amazon very soon.
All right, so obviously we love the product. It's brand new. I think we should give it away. Let's give away,
I love it.
10 of them. The
10.
First 10 to comment.
All right, the first 10 people go into the comment section, comment filter cleaner, and we will send you a free bottle. All right, so let's switch gears a little bit. We're now going to be talking about electric vehicles. So Jake, what is your take on the EVs and what they're doing in the industries? I'd love to hear your opinion on that.
Yeah, I'm more of a mountain bike purist, right? Been riding a long time, and I actually like to go uphill. That's how you know I'm 40, by the way. So I love to climb. I think you have, a decoy?
Yeah, I have a YT decoy. So I'm on the e-mountain bike side, I think.
Yeah.
We ride trails, and you go to pass guys, there's always this like tension on the trail between the two. And what do you feel about that?
I feel like just don't be that guy, right? Just have respect out on the trails. You'll be good. Otherwise, yeah, I'm more of a purist. But after a couple ankle injuries, to be honest, I'm thinking about it more and more.
I think once you actually get on an electric mountain bike, you do see the difference. It is way easier to get up hills. You can go a little faster. Yes, the bikes are heavier, but honestly, you don't really notice it, especially when you're going fast. Well,
I think that's the biggest difference, at least with bikes, right? You can travel so much further.
Yeah.
The batteries last so much longer these days. The suspension's getting crazy, so.
Nothing but love for everybody in the mountain bike community. We think it's awesome.
Yeah.
Right? We're both on opposite sides of it, but everybody can get along in there. It is cool to see technology. I think it's cool to see these vehicles being introduced to these industries where they go, we don't know. I think there's a place for everything.
But honestly, the only trend I don't love is trucks.
They're just super heavy trucks.
Yeah,
right?
they're 7,000 pounds.
Yeah, which is crazy.
Yeah.
So imagine that much weight going down the road, whether you're hitting a guardrail or you're hitting another car. Like they're just plowing through stuff.
I don't know. Have you ever seen that truck just plowed through?
Yeah. I have seen.
It's like bang, bang, bang. It's probably the most frightening thing I've ever seen, and we're all gonna die. So
probably it'll probably be the end of all of us at some point.
Yeah. So I'm not the biggest fan of the trucks, but I love everything else. So
at least in the dirt bike world, a lot of our viewers out there, I know you guys ride dirt bikes, so it's really cool to see some of the stuff that's coming out, especially with the Stark. The new Stark Varg has come out a year and a half or so ago, I think it was, when you could first reserve it. There's a huge waiting list. But yeah, I mean, I've seen a lot of guys in the industry using that bike. I know they're trying to put together races with that bike.
With the Stark being so new, we want to hear from you guys with maintenance, setup, cleaning.
Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think on electric vehicles. A cool thing that we want to let you guys know is we actually just picked up a Stark here at Slick Products. We do want to do some testing on it, and so we'll be releasing a bunch of videos this year kind of showing you what we're doing on the machine, bring you guys updates and see what you think.
Okay, let's take a quick break and give some stuff away.
I love it. That's a great idea. So for those of you out there that like, follow, and subscribe to our channels, this is a simple way for us to say thank you. Right now, we're going to be giving away a care package to off-road veterans from our Facebook account. They've been following us for quite some time. Thank you so much for doing that. For the rest of you, please make sure like, follow, and subscribe to our channels. And who knows, you might be next. All right, Jake. So we have some exciting news. I've been around this company for 15 years. This feels like forever. We should have done this a long time ago. I know a lot of you have been asking for it. So Jake, why don't you go ahead and spill the beans on the new news?
Yeah, so we're finally launching our affiliate program. We have so many emails from you guys, and don't worry, you're on the launch list. But we get this question all the time, right?
Yeah.
Today we have Hook It, we have promos and events that we help out with, but you guys are out there, you're already promoting, you love the products. Now this is your chance to get paid to promote. It's perfect, it's a win-win.
Well, that's super exciting. What's the qualifications for it? How do they get involved, or how do they sign up for the program?
Yeah, good question. So this is my favorite part of the program. You don't have to be an influencer. You don't have to have a certain amount of followers. You just have to have a community, like and promote our products, and be out there in the space, and you can earn money.
I see so many videos that come through on Instagram or social media, TikTok and things, where you guys are doing a great job using foam cannons or using the shine, and you're doing it. So why not get paid?
Yeah, just put a link, right?
You may as well.
Yeah.
Just include your affiliate link, boom, direct deposit every month into your account. It's a no-brainer. You may as well do it and get cash back. So if you'd like more information on that program, we will try to include a link in the description below. If you can't find anything there, go to our website at slickproductsusa.com or shoot us an email. It's really easy. It's info@slickproductsusa.com. We'll get you more info on that program and get you signed up. All right, guys, let's take another quick break and let's give away some free stuff.
Yep, this one is from Instagram, ATVMX734. Thank you for following us, and be sure to contact us to claim your free stuff.
That's awesome. And for the rest of you guys out there, make sure to check us out at Slick Products on Instagram. Give us a follow.
All right, now it's time to answer some of your top questions. Like I said earlier, I work a ton with our customer service teams, so I see the questions come in. One of the main questions is around Shine. It's a top-selling product, right? It's been around a long time. You've been around a long time. Maybe you can walk us through the best way to use it.
Sure, no problem. Yeah. This is a great product. It's the multi-surface shine and protectant. It's a silicone-based blended product. It works to shine and protect plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces. It's really easy to use. It's just simply, it comes in an aerosol. So it's just you lightly mist the surface, and after it sits, it starts to disperse and absorb into the surface, creating that nice shine. Buff it in, and you're good to go. One tip is when you get out for your next ride, when you get to the track, if that's dirt biking or ATV or on the trails or wherever you're doing, you can apply this product underneath wheel wells or underneath your fenders, areas where the mud really builds up. What this will do is create that barrier that reduces the adhesion of the thick mud from sticking and stacking up underneath. It'll also make all of the surfaces much easier to clean up on your next wash. We see tons of amazing reviews on. There's thousands of reviews. So the plastics for me, like this is my go-to for plastics, especially after I wash the bike. Another cool thing, this is on Amazon.
Yeah.
We got this product approved on Amazon for Amazon Prime shipping. You can check it out there. It is also available as a subscribe and save option. If you really enjoy the product, you want to save some money and get your recurring shipments on, you can do that on Amazon. You can also do that on our website at slickproductsusa.com. Go check that out. Okay, so that's it on the Shine. Those are great questions. Thank you for asking. If you have more, please keep sending your questions to us. We're always happy to help. You can email info@slickproducts anytime.
Okay, another top question. This is a newer product, so we're still getting a lot of questions around this. This is the digital air inflator, released late last year.
Yeah,
so still fairly new. It's a great product, but I wanted to talk through attachments, how to use it, if we can get into that.
It's like a mini air compressor. The standard adapter on it is just your straighter valve adapter. That's going to hook on most standard bicycles, kids' bikes, things like that. It does have the Presta adapter, and all that does is it'll screw right onto your straighter. The other two adapters in there, I believe, are just different angled adapters that'll fit for pool toys, other inflatables, things like that. Great tool, really easy to use. It's compact, so you can put it in your glove box or anywhere in your car. You can also put it in your backpack or a riding bag if you're going to the track.
Yeah, that's how I use it. I keep it in the car. Has a red light for emergencies, a flashlight, a phone charger. Super easy to use. I love it.
Yeah, I think I don't know what the total PSI, I forget what it was on there, but it goes up pretty high. I think if you're pumping up trucks or you're using it from like a completely flat tire to full, I wouldn't recommend it. It's more for emergency situations. If you just need a little more air in your tire to get a short distance to actually get to a gas station where you got a full-on compressor. But for mountain bikes and smaller inflatables, it is a great tool to have. It pumps them up really quick. Highly recommend it. Available on our website, also available on Amazon.
Last of the customer questions, and one we get a lot. What's the difference between wash and wax and off-road wash? When do you use them? If you can go into that.
So that's a great question. Yeah, really simple. I mean, one's green, one's blue. That's it. No, I'm kidding, dude. They are completely different formulas. They both are super concentrated. A little bit. You mix in a foam can or a garden hose foam gun. You can also mix it in a bucket. Either one. They make a lot of suds and foam, and you spray it down. You let it sit, give it a little agitation and scrubbing, and then rinse it off. The real biggest difference is the off-road wash is primarily focused for off-road vehicles. So dirt bikes, trucks, ATVs, things that get a lot of the heavier dirt and mud. That's really what the formula in this was designed to do. But this product is great because it's designed to attack the heavy dirt and mud without stripping lubrication and drying out your bearings and things like that. So it's also, all of our products are safe to be used on paint, plastic, a lot of the anodized aluminum and soft metals. It will not corrode or etch surfaces. Whereas the wash and wax, think of this more for your daily drivers, your car, your truck, a street bike, motorcycle, maybe an RV or a camper, even your boat.
So one thing that I like to do when I use a wash and wax, I find if I follow it up with a microfiber, when I'm done, not only do I get the water off, right, but I'm buffing this in and it comes out really, really nice.
Yeah, that's a really good point. You don't want to let it just sit and dry after. You do need to follow up with a microfiber towel, which you should be doing anyway to dry off water spots and things like that. Get the water off. You're going to also sort of buff the product in at the same time and give it that nice smooth surface on the vehicle. So off-roaders, this is for you. Basically everyone else, this is for you. Again, all these products available on slickproductsusa.com. Go check them out.
Okay, that's it for customer questions. Let's get into one final giveaway.
We have selected BMX Rider 1805 from YouTube. You've been following us for over 5 years on our channel. Thank you so much for your loyalty. We really appreciate that, staying connected to our community. All right, so that's a wrap. We hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to Slick Products. And please leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you and stay connected. And who knows, You might be a winner on our next show. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned. Our next video is coming soon. Until then, enjoy the ride. See you guys.